When I overflowed, both worlds were washed away. I was but full of grief for one astray. A creative translation of Shahid Makli's verse, दोनों जहान मेरे छलकने से बह गए, मैं था किसी के गम से लबालब भरा हुआ. A true lover's sorrow becomes universal, friends, and his tears mirror the flood of creation itself. This is Hasnan Shafkat, your thinking friend, congratulating Shahid Makli on the publication of his new book, Tajasub.